Here are the satirical 10 Commandments. For software engineers, a humorous nod to our daily rituals, quirks, and the ever-elusive pursuit of clean code.
Thou shalt commit early and commit often. Let each commit be a record of thy progress. A digital breadcrumb for future thou, should the bug-laden maze confound thee. Thou shalt not commit directly to master on a Friday, for verily, releasing unto production on a Friday incites the wrath of the deployment gods, and leads to an endless weekend of hot fixing. Thou shalt write commit messages that reveal thy intent, eschew the cryptic fix bug for a declaration of purpose, that thy history may testify to thy thoughtful craftsmanship and humor, if thou so desire. Honor thy code reviewers and let them guide thy path. Their feedback is sacred. Heed it, for they are the custodians of quality whose blessings keep thy code from descending into chaos. Thou shalt write tests, lest bugs multiply like locusts. Embrace thy test cases as divine armor against the onslaught of unforeseen errors, so the realm of production remains free of pestilence. Remember the deadline and keep it wholly balancing ambition with realism. Honor the time constraints set upon thee, lest thou be forever lost in the unending realm of just one more fix. Thou shalt refactor fearlessly and with purpose. Clean code is the altar upon which future enhancements are built. Waste not the opportunity to refine thy work, yet cheat not by overcomplicating what is simple. Thou shalt guard thy coding time against the tyranny of meetings. Meetings are a necessary evil, yet they must not consume the sacred hours meant for deep work. Preserve thy flow as thou wouldst cherish a rare and precious resource. Thou shalt document thy code for thy future self and thy colleagues. Leave behind commentary and wisdom, so that those who inherit thy code need not wander in bewilderment, reaffirming thy legacy as both creator and guide. Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's code, and instead celebrate collaboration, rejoice in the strengths of others, learn from their innovations, and collaborate rather than compete, for a shared repository builds a community that stands robust against the tide of technical debt.